Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete or remove subscriptions on YouTube to channels that you are no longer interested in. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So at the top left, select the hamburger icon, and then underneath subscriptions, go ahead and select where it says all subscriptions. If there's any channels you want to unsubscribe from in this list, click the little oval that says subscribed, click the drop down, and then select unsubscribe. It's going to ask unsubscribe, select unsubscribe to confirm, and then that's all you have to do. And if you want to resubscribe, just select the subscribe button again, and there you guys go. That's all you have to do. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.